we jointly decided that for next few months strict drive will be launched against overspeeding, drunken driving and helmet rule, so that we can change the behavior of riders. But at the same time, it was also decided to write to other stakeholders such as Transport Department and PWD and National Highway Authority, that wherever there are modifications required in the road geometry or road engineering, those modifications should be carried out so that accidents are not caused by the defect in the road geometry.
Any decision on fixing cameras on highways?
Basically, that is a long-term decision. We have in fact recommended also, and in fact right from the time when we enter Goa, both from north and south side, there should be automatic number plate recognition cameras and automatic capturing of the violation cameras, so that people are, as soon as they enter the state, they become alert that there is automatic capturing of the violation, so they will definitely behave while driving or riding on Goan roads.